Feel the ocean breeze, sunlight dancing on the sea. Let your worries float away here on this calm and gentle bay.
Waves are whispering salt in the air, warm and free. Every heartbeat slows its pace as I find my peaceful space.
Ocean breeze, take me home. Guide me where the sun has shone, under skies so blue and white. Let this calmness be my guide.
Seagulls flying through the light, soft reflections in the night. Every wave a gentle song. Here's the place where I belong.
Let the tide wash over me, calm as far as eyes can see. In this moment, breathe, let go. Feel the world's gentle flow.
Ocean breeze, take me home. Guide me where the sun has shone, under skies so blue